Hey, do you want to become a great entrepreneur, great marketer? आपको ग्रेट entrepreneur बनना है क्या, ग्रेट मार्केटर बनना है क्या? आपका वेबिनार्स, आपका मार्केटिंग गेम प्लान, जितना भी आप ऑनलाइन एडवर्टाइजिंग करते हो इसके ऊपर 10x ROI कैसे लाते हैं, 10x बिजनेस ग्रोथ कैसे करते हैं, डू यू वांट टू अचीव कि आपका बिजनेस नेक्स्ट लेवल पे कैसे लेके जाना है, जो कुछ भी आप ब्रांडिंग करते हो, एक्टिविटीज करते हो, जो सब करते हुए डू यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर आपका सबसे बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, एज अ मार्केटर कैसे पावरफुल मार्केटर बनते हैं, उसके लिए आप मल्टी चैनल कम्युनिकेशन कैसे यूज कर सकते हो, एंड व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एक्शन आइटम्स इन एन बिजनेस। आपको इनकेस डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योर और कौन से भी एंटरप्रेन्योर रहने दो, इन दिस वीडियो बेसिकली मैं आपके लिए वो शेयर करने वाला हूँ कि व्हाट आर दो स्ट्रैटेजीज आप बिजनेस में यूज कर सकते हो टू 10x ग्रोथ, हाउ एग्जैक्टली यू कैन गेट मल्टीपल क्लाइंट्स, consistent clients through multiple channel communication. Multiple channel communication is powerful strategy. इसके साथ साथ इनकेस आपका बिजनेस फेल हो रहा है, आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि क्या उसका रीजन हो सकता है। तो इस वीडियो के अंदर मैं पूरा देखने वाला हूँ गाइज, तो ये पूरा वीडियो एंड तक देखो, डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट, पूरा स्टॉप मत करो। दिस वीडियो हैज हेल्प मी टू अर्न मोर देन 5 to 6 lakhs पर मंथ राइट नाउ। जब तक आप वीडियो कब देख रहे हैं मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पूरा वीडियो एंड तक देखो। And before starting this video, you can hit the subscribe button to my channel in case you are watching one video, and hit the bell button. पूरा वीडियो देखो एंड तक and you will learn lot of things guys. पूरा 30 मिनट 40 मिनट निकालो, वीडियो पूरा देखो, इट कैन बी गेम चेंजर। ओके, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एज एंटरप्रेन्योर, एज अ डिजिटल ग्रोथ कंसल्टेंट। माय नेम इज दत्ता टुले, डिजिटल ग्रोथ कंसल्टेंट। ये पूरा मैं शेयर करने वाला। ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द वीडियो, पूरा देखो। Versus MCC, I mean to say not versus but equal to MCC. How many of you love MSI, multiple streams of income model? How many of you love MSI? Just type in comment box. I know that one. All these freedom meetup guys like ILH members love MSI, right? Do you love MSI? Okay, that if you love MSI, multiple streams of income, then you must marry MCC. MCC, what is MCC? Multiple channel communication, right? If you want MSI, then you must marry to MCC, right? Multi-channel communication. How many are ready to marry? Right? Not love. You have to marry. Okay? I will be telling you what exactly formula is that one. Then see, some people must be having problem. Like some of might be having, sir. I'm doing a lot of marketing efforts, but people are not coming in webinars. So webinars show up rate. Okay? Webinars show up rate and ultimately conversion, right? How exactly do you get people in the webinar in case you are not started? For you it's amazing opportunity. Somebody is doing already, but as expected people are not coming in webinars, so I will be telling you that it will be helping you. Then we have conversion, right? The first thing, conversions. This multi-channel communication for conversion is also very important because money is in follow-up, right? So money is in follow-up. Most of you know already, but I'm just repeating here a little bit. And beside that one, keep, while doing this all multiple channel communication, your offer, your hook, your funnel, your product, it's not about you. Okay, it's not about you, it's about them. So while communicating, while sending each and every message, we should be aware about that, where your prospect hang out, वो कहाँ पे hang out करते हैं. We need to understand that one, whether WhatsApp, whether on Facebook, whether on Instagram, any channel, we need to understand that, right? So beside that one, I want to tell you here one more thing. We need to where they hang out, basically where they hang out, and another time while communicating we need to go into their communication, like in their head, what's going on their head. Beside that one, as I told you here, I want to tell you here the 80% focus. Okay, I'm just repeating here why this is important. 80% focus. Okay, this is for action takers and high performers. 80%. What should be the 80% focus? You can just type in comment box. I will tell you here what should be the 80% focus of entrepreneur, small entrepreneur, trainer, coaches, consultant, or just like we are on same mission, right? So what should be our focus? You can type in comment box. What should be your focus as an entrepreneur? Because a lot of people make these mistakes, and I will tell you what is it. So here we go, 80% focus. So it's all about traffic actually, traffic in the sense multiple channel communication, in the sense marketing. Okay, marketing has to be the topmost priority of entrepreneurs. Why I will tell you here, because I personally went through that one. Because I was focused on branding, like a lot of things I was doing. But marketing has to be 80% focus. When we are starting from scratch, it's important. The top priority of entrepreneur marketing. I will tell you big brand versus small entrepreneurs. Okay. See, if you have crores and crores of rupees, you can blown away. But in case you have the small amounts of money, you are getting started, then our focus should be on marketing game plan. Strategically, if you put 1 rupees in, you should get at least 2 rupees or 20 rupees. This is the formula, like basically from Magnetic Marketing, Dan Kennedy. If you are putting 1 rupees in, at least you should get 2 rupees or 20 rupees. Right, guys? Are you with me? So what is that formula? If you are spending any rupees on any business, whatever you are doing right now, if you put 1 rupees, you should get at least 20 rupees, or not 20 rupees, but 2 rupees at least minimum. I'm telling you, 2 rupees or more. Okay, otherwise our efforts are useless. Okay, so that exactly we are going to do in cover, and this is serious stuff. Okay, and if you understand this one, if you give me next 45 minutes your full attention, then we are going to enjoy, right? So that is the formula we are going to cover step by step. I'm going to share this all. Then exactly what I'm going to share, all high performance marketing methods, multi-channel communication, multi-channel confirmation methods, triangle I'm going to share, and pro tips, as well as I will be giving some practical tips which you can implement. And what if you are following all of them, if you are following all of them still not working, still I have the good news for you. Okay, so guys, that is the important part, and this is going to be power back. So let's go, and let me tell you here, let's go through the code of honors. Okay, as a community here, let's go through the code of honor. Okay, as an ILH member here. Okay, so code of honor first is the freedom, like to live and run the business from anywhere in the world. Clarity in the game plan, marketing, whatever you are doing, mentoring, clarity in the game plan, right? Abundance, creating multiple streams of income. And today I'm going to add one more element, multi-channel communication. Okay, then we have the growth, learn, do, teach, and most important thing, implement, right? Then efficiency, speed of implementation, taking quick action with precision, focus, and contribution back to society, right? Guys, what I am doing right now here, I have my own community, I have my own tribe, but still I am contributing here, because whatever I learned from some of the principle which has helped me to grow, that's the reason I'm just contributing back to this community as well, right? So let's get started. That is the code of honor we are going to start, right? So guys, power pack, close the window, close the door, and pay focus here. Don't underestimate the power of these all principles, right? Great. Awesome. So here we go. So I'm super excited for you guys. So welcome. Focus. We are going to focus. Awesome. We'll be having basically, guys, welcome section is there. Then I will be basically focus topic is there. I will be having detailed question answers. I will try my best to answer your one burning questions. Besides that one, we'll have some success stories, some assignment I will be giving you, and some feedback as well, right? So your journey, I will be driving you on journey as well. So let's get started, guys. So I want to ask you one question here. I want to ask one question to you guys here. All right. So basically, where do you stand on your journey right now? So what I'm looking for, you can type in comment box right now your name, your niche. It can be anything, like niche. Go to the niche clarity. Which level are you in, and what is your income goal, and what is your mission? So what you can type here in comment box: your name, your niche, which level are you? Are you in gold membership, diamond membership, or level 1? Okay, I mean silver membership. And what is your mission? You can just type in comment box. Let me know. So you can type in short name, mission, and basically, yeah, Shiva Kumar, gold, physics, awesome. Yeah, name, yep. 10 lakh from October. And what is your mission? How exactly are you trying to achieve that one? Rachna, Amrish Sharu, okay, great. Awesome. Silver, diamond, 50,000 rupees. Guys, I ask you precise question. Follow this instruction. Simple. In this community also, Siddharth has given gold and a lot of things here. But if you follow the simple process, we get result, right? Your name, your which level you are in right now, what is your mission, and what is your niche, right? Anyway, guys, Ramesh, real estate to increase till 10 lakhs. Amrishwari, Okay, level 1 lakh rupees. Right. Great, amazing. Mission to teach secret. Dinesh, 10 lakhs per month. Great, guys. Great. And guys, thank you very much. So again, I appreciate from my bottom of heart for being here and giving your valuable time, right? So I will make sure that within the next 45 minutes, you get a lot of golden nuggets and you can go back and implement on your freedom lifestyle journey, right? So that is important part. So who I am, most of people already know me. Within 2 minutes, I will be telling about me, right? So now who I am, right? So basically, my name is Datta Tule. I'm a digital growth consultant and automation master. I'm the founder of Digital Autopilot Hub. And basically, right now, I'm on mission to help 100,000 people to build their system-driven digital expert business, share your knowledge, share your expertise, and leveraging automation, digital systems, and transform other people's life, right? And I'm also founder of I have the Tule Interactive Solution Agency. Overall, whatever the strategies I'm going to share you right now, these are the practical, tested. I have tested on my business. I'm helping my tribe as well. Whatever you're going to learn, it's a practical step. But let me give quick glimpse. English is my third language. I'm from Pune city, from middle class family. Beside that one, I am IT professional turned into digital entrepreneur. And I have been in this space almost 2 years now. Almost 2 years. I'm transforming other people's lives, helping hundreds and hundreds of my students and clients as well to grow their business and take their game to next level. All right. So basically that is, I'm also like strategic consultant for marketing, automation, and game plan funnel building. Okay. So that is a little bit about me, but right now, this call is not about me. This call is about you, right? So what exactly you are going to learn, I'm going to share. So without any further delay, let's get started. Right? So yeah, I'm going to tell you here topic. My topics are very important here, my friends. As I told you about you, we are going to jump into topic, my screen right now. Yeah. So let me ask you one question here. It's about, see guys, it's not about only Facebook ad. Keep in mind here, it's not about only Facebook ads. Wherever you are doing marketing organically or Facebook ads, you are doing anything marketing. This formula can be implemented in any marketing channel, no matter what you are doing, right? So it's very powerful. It's not only limited to Facebook, guys. Is that clear? Somebody asked me, it's about Facebook ads. No, it's not only Facebook ads, but it's about how you spend 1 rupees and you get 2 rupees, 3 rupees, right? That is the formula. Super clear? So let's get started. Let's jump into my screen. I want to have power pack. So what I will be telling my friend, please grab your pen and paper diaries, make a note. Just don't sit idly and just observe, but ultimately make a lot of notes. I'm going to throw some value bombs, right? Value bombs. So let's get started to my screen. I'm going to share my screen here right now. Here we go. So first of all, what is agenda? As I told you, what? So my friends, high performance marketing. What is high performance marketing? What is high performance marketing? So basically, I'm going to tell you here one thing. Okay, yeah. So basically, what is high performance marketing? So my friends, as based on my experience in this online internet marketing, we do a lot of things like branding, your product designing, your customer service, building yourself. And what happening here? I was there. You are not alone. Okay, I was there for a lot of time. So guys, I was there when I got started. Let me tell you a quick story here. When I started, I was completely 80% focused on creating my product, polishing my product, and polishing myself, as well as basically all systems, website, branding, and a lot of things are there. Those are important elements. Okay, those are important elements. But when you are starting your business, you are in just static phase. So let me ask you a question here. How many of you are right now running your campaigns or doing some kind of marketing but not getting result as expected? Type in comment box, yes I am, right? Yes I am. So what's happening here? That is a myth. Let me tell you, my friend, as that is a myth. I was reading this. I was reading one of the book called Magnetic Marketing. Magnetic Marketing. So as an entrepreneur, when you are starting, we need to have complete focus, more than 80% focus on marketing. Like marketing in the sense, getting leads, converting them into paying customer, nothing else, nothing else. Keep my word, okay? All rest things are supplementary. We have to do that one. But marketing is the lifeblood of business. And how do we do that impactfully? We have to become, what we have to become? Shameless marketer. What I mean to say shameless marketer? Guys, anybody can tell me here, what is shameless marketer? What is shameless? Miss, don't think about what people are talking about you. Shameless, not seamless, shameless. Right? As a marketer, we have to become a shameless marketer, because every entrepreneur has to be great marketer. But how do you take this marketing game plan? How do you take this marketing game plan to next level? We have to become shameless marketer, right? We have to go full on the video creation, content creation, do whatever you want to do. And most important thing is that here is the pro tip. I will tell you, right? Great. Follow up until get yes, right? See, I was reading one of the book and Think and Grow Rich. In the marketing, in the entrepreneur, keep in diary. No means not no. No means not no. I don't exactly remember the name. If somebody says no, that doesn't mean that no. People buy from you. Okay, if you do it rightly, right? So yeah, retargeting with engagement sequence. Yeah, that's different part, technical part. But yeah, understand right now. So here we go. As I told you, that is important part. Become a shameless marketer, high performance, basically high performance marketing method in the sense, as I told you, once your product is ready, second part I will be telling you what are the multiple channel communications. As I told you here, suppose let's take example webinar. Here हम लोग अभी webinar के बारे में बात करते हैं. Okay, so what is webinar? Okay, so if in case you are doing webinars, I get personally, you know, when I started, right? When I started, a lot of people were like, I was running Facebook ads and I was waiting for, guys, I know how many of you resonated with me. I was running ads last year for my Facebook webinar, I think exactly 1 year back. And I was waiting for a webinar to show people in the webinar. So I was waiting, okay, if I run Facebook ads or anything, people will come and I will go in the warrior mode, okay? Warrior mode, I will sell my product, I will make money. But that is not the reality, right? That is not the reality. We have to follow up. Just like that, in case if anybody movie is coming out, what they are doing? They are doing a lot of trailers. They are doing multiple channel communication, newspaper, TV, radio, in your everywhere, right? Same thing in case you are doing webinar, online direct selling funnel, WhatsApp marketing, in case you are doing anything. But we should not wait that somebody will come and buy your product or they will show up in the webinar. We have to prepare them. We have to nurture them. We have to give them reason. Guys, we have to give them reasons to come, right? The trailer, some people will come in the webinar. How that happened? Multiple channel communication. Most of the people are there, right? Yeah. Guys, are you with me till now? Does this make sense? Whatever I'm talking to you, does this make sense to you? Make sense? Type in comment box. Super makes sense. These are just gold nuggets, right? Great, 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 great. Awesome, awesome, guys. Loving? Are you loving? Awesome. We have the 90 plus people. Make sense? Awesome. So that is the one thing. Yeah. So I want to tell, see guys, how is very important. How is very important. Understand what and why. Okay. How is very important. Understand what and why. That's the reason I'm trying to reframe, preframe, whatever I want to tell you here, what I'm doing based on my experience. And that is I'm telling you. Okay. So here we go. So yeah. MCC in the multi-channel communication. Basically, I do a lot of these all sessions on Facebook, but yeah, let's talk about MCC. What is MCC? Here is the thing, guys. We have multiple channels, right? Email communication, SMS. Then we have all like all channels. Like basically, we are using and most of them are free as well. If you see email communication, SMS, chatbot, WhatsApp, Facebook group, I think WhatsApp is free, Facebook is free, chatbot is free, only email and SMS you have to pay. But real question, I tell you these 5 multi-channel communication strategies, there are many. So how many of you are, in case you are watching recording also, how many of you are using all of them to get people to buy your product? And it is not only for new customers, but even though for your existing clients, existing students. And how many of you are using, right? How many of you are using? Just type in comments, me. Or if you are not using, just type in comments, I am not using. Yeah. You can type number 4, 3, 5. So reason I'm telling here, not using all. Guys, okay. So reason I'm telling, let me tell you reason why. So guys, as my topic here, email. So basically, email open rate. Email open rate is very less right nowadays. Email open rate is very less. We cannot just depend on email, okay? We cannot depend on just emails. A lot of people are doing that mistake. I'm sending thousands and thousands of emails. People are not opening my emails, and a lot of things are happening, and people are not incoming my webinars. I'm spending a lot of money on the marketing, Facebook. I'm just doing blah, 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 blah. But don't stay on the email only. Even though in email, you're using, I'm not here to teach you actually how exactly you communicate it. There's copywriting method. You can watch on Setup Challenge copywriting method there. But just don't rely on email. Also, don't stop using email as well, because still email is live. So don't just rely on SMS. My friends, email open rate. Open rate, average, I'm telling you here, open rate is around, if you do really well, 20% average, I can tell you here, based on my experience. SMS, guys, listen to me, okay? Secret strategy. Do you want to get people in your webinar and buy your product? SMS. Get SMS done. Reason I am telling you here, more than 99% open rate within 2 minutes. Okay, open rate. Open rate. More than 90%. Guys, bulb on. Guys, now in India, if you are watching this recording, DLT has imposed, okay? A lot of people are not registering and then facing problem to get people in the webinar, right? So SMS, guys, DLT, start using SMS. Reason I'm telling you here, everybody, I'm personally using SMS open rate is crazy, like 90%, more than 99% within 2 minutes. If you're on mobile, you watch your message, right? How many of you watch? Just type in comment box in case you are watching. How many of you open SMS immediately? Okay, so don't underestimate, because I'm getting, how many of you? Everyone, right? Everyone open rate crazy. Then why don't you implement, my friend? Why don't you? And here we can do automation also. I will tell you the frequency of communication, but yeah, urgent form of communication, and don't underestimate. For now, me at least, it is very important I communicate on SMSs, right? That is important part. So get it done. In case you don't have, there are many platforms like SMS Horizon, Text Local. You can do automation as well. If somebody registers, they can get automatic welcome email, right, guys? If you are not using, start doing it. You know, guys, when I started, I was thinking SMS is like something embracing, like not required. I was thinking, but nowadays, SMS is very important, right? That is important part. 99. Second part. Then we have chatbot. Guys, you can use chatbots. Many chat already covered. 80% open rate. Open rate. You can use many chat. See, guys, crazy things, right? See here, as I told you, you want to become a shameless marketer. So how do you become shameless marketer? See, I will tell you not to just bother people, not to give some reason. I will tell you some ideas here. So people would love to hear from you. They would like content from you, and they are eagerly waiting for your messages, your chatbot messages, email, except 4-5% people. They will say you are sending a lot of bombarding, you are doing a lot of things. Ignore them, okay? But what about 96% people? Chatbot opened at 80%, crazy, right? Then WhatsApp, guys, secret here, listen to me. So right now, just let me get some insight here. Guys, if you are loving this content, just type in comment box, gold. Let me know if you are learning. Everyone, दिल से अब दिल से शेयर कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, gold mine, gold, right? Great. And these all ideas can change the game after this call immediately. If you go back, look your funnel, it can change your immediately. And I charge a lot of money for consulting kind of thing. Okay, I'm doing here as a contributor. Okay, great. Awesome, boss. Sone ka khajana, fantastic. Love you guys. You are crazy. Okay, so we have crossed the 100 now. So let's guys, do anybody want to use secret here, secret strategy? How I am getting 100, 150, 170, 130 people consistently in my webinar. How I'm getting right now consistently. And how exactly I have 5x my tribe. So let me tell you one secret here. As I told you, it's not about you, it's about them. I was making that mistake. Okay, I was thinking, boss, yaar, WhatsApp is time pass. Listen to me here. Okay, WhatsApp is time pass. But now, my friends, 99% people are active on the WhatsApp. And mistake I was making, why should I go on the WhatsApp? I was not using WhatsApp as well. But my friends, people are not writing emails. A lot of people are not even checking emails. They are not checking their SMS, they check most of the people. But WhatsApp, dil ke paas hota hai. How many of you believe that? WhatsApp matlab dil ke paas. So start using WhatsApp immediately. Guys, I am getting crazy response. Create WhatsApp groups. Even though you are doing, guys, let me tell you here, this is an amazing strategy. Start using WhatsApp, and it's free. It's free, right, guys? It's free. Why don't we use? It's free strategy. Start using WhatsApp, and I will tell you where to place. Actually, whenever you are sending emails, invite them for WhatsApp. And even though you can add button, or WhatsApp on thank you page, join my VIP WhatsApp group, or email, or in even welcome message as well. Get people into WhatsApp. And WhatsApp, you can do basically what you can do. In WhatsApp, it can be little bit, guys, yeah, it can be little bit noisy sometimes. Guys, it can be noisy, but you can do set admin only, send message, do not allow to send anyone any message. Do not do that one, okay? Set admin only, nobody should send any SMS. And most important, you can add the description there, description, whatever, like what is the intention of behind that webinar, and give your Zoom link as well, okay? Give the Zoom link as well. You can share the Zoom links so that people can get communication. Beside that one, I want to tell you here one thing. A lot of people will ping you one-to-one. Hey, hi, I join, blah, 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 blah. Don't keep replying them, all of them. Do automation there. Okay, in WhatsApp business, if anybody don't know, I think a lot of people must be knowing that one. Download WhatsApp business. Download WhatsApp business and set automatic reply, automatic welcome. If anybody send hi, right? If anybody send hi to my mobile, okay, guys, I don't reply to them. Automatically they get, hi, thanks for the reaching out to me. And in case you have any urgency, email me at XYZ email. And here is the link of upcoming webinar, automatic. And 90% people think that, oh, wow, you reply to me? Awesome, personal connection. It's in WhatsApp business, guys. It's in WhatsApp. How do group? No. Broadcast list, for broadcast list, I believe you need to have number saved in your mobile. I'm not using broadcast group, but you can find any other software there. But there are disclaimers. You cannot just bombarding people. Sometimes Facebook might, like WhatsApp might ban your WhatsApp business account. You can do that one. But guys, number is saved. A number is saved. In case you have the number saved, you can create a broadcast list, but as border level, as a long-term level. We cannot save each and every number, right? People are daily. I am creating at least one WhatsApp group. Okay, guys, I'm doing that one. Beside that one, I will tell you guys. So how many are going to use WhatsApp right now? How many are going to use WhatsApp immediately, but use in strategic way? Okay, here we go. And I will tell you where to push. Then we have, guys, Facebook group. Guys, Facebook group, crazy, right? Personal connection. Personal connection, right? Personal connection. Then we have Facebook groups. So you can use Facebook group as well. You can invite them to Facebook group, because why Facebook group? Reason, in Facebook group, basically what happens? It's a free. People don't need to leave the Facebook platform. They can join whenever you go any Facebook live use or any contents, reminders. You can throw the value bam, right? So for now, you can use this this communication right now. I'm going to share some amazing strategies with you. Here we go. Okay, chatbots. Start using that one. How to use? It's covering setup challenge. Okay, so great, guys. Facebook groups. Now I want to tell you here next point here. Let's move to the next point. So guys, are you ready for next method? Very important part here. I'm going to show value bam. Just type in comment box. Bring it on. I have some amazing methods of communication. Just type in comment box VIO. Bring it on, right? That is the code of here, right? I am going to show you sometime. But yeah, awesome. Dil mange more. Right. Awesome. So how do you communicate? Can I tell you one truth here? I want to ask one question. I respect all my members here. I respect all viewers. I know that some of might be having better experience than me and all members. I respect that one. I'm just sharing my opinion. It's up to you if you want to pick up or not. It's not compulsion, okay? I'm sharing my experience, what's working right now. So it's not compulsory to all, just follow the T. Disclaimer here, follow what's working for your market. Look for where your target audience hang out. Guys, point noted, where your target audience hang out. In case some people, if you are on stock market or any other industry, a lot of people are on Telegram. Use Telegram groups, Telegram channel, right? But this is I'm sharing my experience, what's working right now for my business, for my students, my clients. Type in comment box, point noted. So as I told you, you need to do research. Where is your target audience? आपके target audience कहाँ पे है? You need to write down that one. You need to chase them, run behind them. Not only in case your target audiences are everyone on WhatsApp, you're asking them to connect on the Telegram group, they are not going to connect. Okay, so that is the point noted, right? Chase them, but look for where they hang out. Go in their head, right? I will tell you, LinkedIn I'm not using right now, but I will tell you here, okay? LinkedIn is now right now I'm not using, but I cannot comment on that one. So we can discuss on that part separately. But next point, very important. See guys, as I told you here we go. MCC methods. So let me tell you here. So you need to get out of the, so let me tell you here, MCC method, video, text, voice notes and graphic. Okay, 4 methods. Don't just bombard with emails. Don't just bombard with text messages. Don't just bombard with one channel. Guys, make a note of these all points. Use different methods for communicating. Different methods. I'm having amazing experience. Okay, just don't send irritating long messages to follow up and blah 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 blah. But you can keep short. Text, SMS, email is okay. And in case you are using WhatsApp group or any other group, you can start using videos. Guys, how many are going to do powerful video marketing? Video is very important in communication way. What I am doing right now, I'm doing videos like in case I have a webinar tomorrow, guys. In case I have the webinar tomorrow, what I do? I go on my mobile. I go on the mobile. I record short video. Hi friend, thanks for the registration. I am really excited to meet you live on tomorrow in XYZ webinar timing. I am going to share 1, 2, 3, 4, why we should be there. Okay, so use video, guys. Not somebody saying video marketing next big thing. No, my friend, it's now, not next. It's already. Keep in note, video. Not video for only marketing, but communication, follow-up, selling. you need to get out of your camera. You need to get out of your bed. You need to get on the camera. I meant to tell you here. I just want to tell you here. That is very important. Video is not everything, but very important part. Okay, so that is important part, guys. Right? I will tell you. I will share my screen. Don't worry, mind map. So second part, text messaging. And you can do like whenever you are sending SMS, obviously you have to use text message. Then I told you voice note. Guys, voice note. I keep sending voice note on WhatsApp groups, on my Telegram group. And this is applicable for, you can send different communication, even though you have the paid member tribe, even though you have the prospect, anything, guys. So guys, let me ask you anything here. If I send you big text message of 15 lines, instead of that one, if I send you voice note or my quick 1-minute video, what you will prefer, and where will you connect with me, video or text? Type in comment box, video or text. If you are with me, video, or in case you are camera shy, you don't want to come again on camera, voice note, because you directly people connect with people, right? And here I want to give one more message here. Video, right? Everyone says video, awesome. One more advice. Language should not be the barrier, guys. Language should not be the barrier for you. In case you are doing a Hindi market, please, you can start doing in Hindi. I am doing Hindi, Marathi, English. I'm getting amazing because people directly connect with you. If you are Tamil, any language, it should not be the language barrier. Yes, boss, my English is good. I only will speak in English. No matter. If your target audience understand Hindi, start speaking dil se, right? That is important, guys. English. I'm doing that one. And I'm getting phenomenal results as well. Very important, guys. So use multiple methods. You got the idea? Guys, if you use this method on this high performance marketing strategy, people will not, Pritam show. I'm not Pritam, I'm Datta Tule. Okay, somebody saying Pritam. I'm not a Pritam, I'm Datta Tule. Okay, so here we go. As I told you here, guys, use different methods. That is important part, text, and people will not get boring. Now I have the next point here, triangle. Guys, are you up for this triangle? This can be the bottleneck of a whole marketing funnels. I'm going to share triangle. Okay, guys, are you ready for this triangle? Just type in comment, say I'm ready. Guys, triangle. What is those 3 points? It can change your marketing game plan. Are you ready? Are you with me till now? In case you are doing mobile, anything, just stop. Here we go. So now what is that triangle? Some of my friends come to me, my clients, my students, that I'm doing all these things. Still people are not coming, not buying my products. I'm not getting sales. Anybody there? Anybody just like me? I was in that phase. It's not your fault. When you start, you will feel that one. Anybody there? So triangle, what is that triangle? I want to tell you here. The triangle, I want to tell you here one thing, very important part. Communication while communicating, keep in mind, this is not only about communication, my friend, this is the game plan. So I want to tell you here, I'm telling here one method, one triangle here, which I got from this magnetic marketing method. Okay. So what is it? Guys, are you ready for triangle? Great message. So here we go. Let me tell you here, I'm telling here my on screen. So message. Now the first thing was message. Okay, I want to tell you here message. We are here on message now, triangle. I'm just coming to triangle here. So message, in case you're doing any kind of marketing or any kind of communication, your message has to be clear. Your message has to be compelling. Your message has to be meaningful. Your message should hook people. Guys, getting my point? Messaging is very important. Why messaging is very important, right? Why people should give their details to you? The messaging is very important. You are doing any headlines, marketings, Any communications, guys? With me? Triangle, triangle, triangle. Great. So done. It's not about spelling mistake. Focus on the content here. I am not, as I told you, English is my third language. Okay. It's all about content. So guys, triangle is very important. So I'm telling you here with message. So what is message? You see what we are doing. See what other leading marketers are doing. And I'm giving you a hacking tool here in your industry, in your niche, in your area or whatever you're doing. See top 3 crushing marketers, leaders. See how they are communicating. Because to get people to fill your data, to show up in the webinar, one line pitch, right? Wait guys, I'm telling you here, nothing there. I'm telling you, pay attention here to me. So basically, the messaging has to be clear. There has to be hook. Suppose I'm telling you here what can be hook. Basically, I want to give the Domino's Pizza as example. I was reading for magnetic marketing. I want to acknowledge resource. So in case Domino's Pizza, if you tell here before they are doing some other marketing type of things, the messaging has to be hook or compelling. In case right now, what I'm doing right now, let me give you an example here. How exactly you can build your system-driven business, system-driven future-proof business and earn 1 lakh and more within 45 days. Guys, does this sounds interesting? Even if you are non-technical or new. Compelling, or if you just type register here, I will show you how to build digital business. Two difference here. I am telling you, see, learn how to build digital expert business, digital expert system driven business. That is single line. That is the one headline. That is not converting. If I say, learn how to build digital expert system driven future proof business, even if you are non-technical, completely new, within 45 days and earn 1 lakh and more. Compelling? So give them reason. Create compelling messages. So people will show up in your webinar. People will buy product from you. Guys, if you think this is the bulb on, very important. See why people should do, because in the internet right now, I don't know when you are watching this one, but internet, it is being crowded. It is being like everybody is doing a lot of things, but what reason you are giving to them? The personal unique abilities, like bring your personal flavor. It's very important, right? That important part, guys. With me, just type in comment box with you. It is not only about communication, not bombarding, not pushing them, but strategic communication, guys. Okay, strategic communication. Awesome. That is important part. As I told you, the golden triangle too. So what is this golden triangle? Your messaging has to be clear as per your market, as per your target audiences. It has to be compelling. So another thought. Second, targeting. In case your messaging is very great, you are communicating, you are doing a lot of things, but what if targeting wrong people? And this is a mistake. Type in comment box, mistake. Are you targeting right people? In case this Domino Pizza, they are selling pizzas and targeting wrong people. So who is the target audiences for them? Like young people, hungry for food, like that one. So you need to know your customer avatar. Who is your customer? What is their age group? What is their pain point? What is their problems? So guys, just write down your diary. You need to write down what is your 10 burning problems, burning pain of your customer. 10 points. When you are communicating, just convert them into points. While you are communicating, you have to convert them into points. Persona of customer. So while communicating, understand which language they understand, what kind of problem they are facing. So whenever you are communicating, your targeting has to be clear. Either they are male, female, where they hang out, and beside that one, what is their age group. And now Facebook, I was talking about, the topic of today's is Facebook, how to get 10x ROI on the Facebook. On Facebook has made your life easy. If you do right targeting, you get right customer, you offer them right product and buy your product. If this is the alignment, then you will never face any problem in your marketing messaging. So who is your target on? Do some research, take some time. Guys, clear? That is the triangle. Give me some brief of 10x. Guys, 10x, somebody asking me 10x, my friend. I will tell you here. 10x, what is the 10x formula? I will tell you. Clear, guys? Somebody asking me, give me brief of 10x. Guys, 10x in the sense, if you do right messaging, you get right people, buy your product, and beside that one, how do you make? If you are selling 2,000 rupees product, if they come into your community, if they buy your other product like your downsell, upsell, your funnel, your high ticket product, your core product, ultimately you make 10x or not. Guys, clear? 10x clear? If you get right customer from webinar or selling, and if you deliver them right solution, if they buy your multiple product, if you do rightly, you can easily make 10x. Is that clear? 10 times and more, my friend. I'm doing that one. If I spend 1,000 rupees to acquire customer, I make 5,000 to 10,000 rupees average. Yeah. So that is, but communication again to gain it. See, again to get 10x return, you need to communicate properly. You need to communicate with them. Even the some paid member are in your community. If you have the paid members, you have to communicate, because in this communication, multi-channel communication for paid members, if you want to get upsell, 10x return investment, you have to communicate, right? That is important part. Cool. That is the faster time. If you do it, very important. Just not like if you have the paid customer, you ignore them. No. See how this ILH, this community is doing, how we are doing, nurture them. You get 10x return. But communication is very important part. In every area, communication, email, telegram, WhatsApp, email, very important. Not only for new customer, but your existing customers as well. If you lose communication, you lose business. That is part. And now third part, even though some people have messaging clear, you are targeting right people, but still struggling. Guys, do you want to know secret? Just type in comment box. What is third secret? You are targeting right people. Your messaging is super clear. Just type in comment box. Bring it on. Bring it on. Third secret. I am telling you here, funnel fixing secret. This is a little bit out of topic, but I want to cover here. In case something is not working, all these things are important. If one thing is missing, if in case your messaging is wrong, but targeting is right, still not convert. If your messaging is correct, your targeting is correct, but if you are trying to connect them on the different platform, so media, what media you are using, what channel you are using. In case your target audience is on Facebook, you are focusing on LinkedIn, YouTube, or offline. So where is your target audiences? In case you are in business growth or something, any other topic, all of your audiences, guys, all of your audiences are on LinkedIn. You should go to the LinkedIn. You should taste the LinkedIn advertising, not only Facebook. But as a trainer, coaches, consultant, as a knowledge givers, I strongly believe that one. 90% people get good ROI from Facebook ads, at least in India. Guys, clear? You need to have three things clear. See, message, targeting, and media. While communicating, these all three things important, right? If one piece of, in case one pillar is missing, your complete funnel will not work. Guys, clear? Just type in comment box, super clear. I will just go to the next point. I hope you are learning. Yeah, target media. So where they hang out. In case, let me tell you here, if you are in something offline manufacturing space, all your audiences, they love magazines, they love business newspapers. You can go and target there also. Buy media and do that one, right? Great, guys. Got the idea? Awesome. So before we move forward, within 5 minutes, I want to sell formula, guys. I want to share this formula. I hope, I'm 100% sure you are loving. So next point, what is the next point? See, pro tips. So guys, are you loving? Are you learning? If you are learning, just type in comment box, I am learning. I want to tell some pro tips. I want to give some pro tips here. Okay. So what is the pro tips? While communicating, it's not only about communication, but what are the pro tips? You have to keep in mind, it can help you to, I will tell you here, how is easy. Understand this principle, how is easy. So here we go. Bring it on. Great. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Here we go. So I want to tell you here pro tips for you guys. Make a note of this. Make a note of in diary. Watch this replay. First tip. It has to be friendly communication. My friend, make a friendship with your customer clients. They should not look you as some like damn serious man. Guys, I am looking serious here. I am having friendly communication. Mix. So build the friendship. Build a relationship with your target audiences. They should feel like Datta is my friend. He can help me. He's my friend. So while communicating, email, let it be email, WhatsApp, any communication channel, have a friendly communication. They should feel like Datta is my friend, or in case your whatever your name, he's my friend. Have a friendly communication. Don't be hard. Discuss heart to heart. That is first thing. Okay. Even the sending reply in my webinars also I'm doing that one. Okay. I'm having friendly communication. That is important part. Second pro tip, engaging. It has to be engaging. In case you are sending emails, what I'm doing, I'm sending friendly emails. And by end of the webinar, I'm telling you, if you are with me, if you love this stuff, please reply back to this email. I love this stuff and I am with you. Something like that one. Keep engaging. Keep engaging. Okay. Third pro tip, strategic reason. Guys, very important part. Give them strategic reason why they should reply back to you. But as I told you, in case you have the targeting clear, your messaging is clear and you are communicating them, give them strategic reason to reply back. And I will tell you here, if I send kind of at least 10, 15, 20 people, 10, 50, 20 people will reply back to you that I am with you, I am 100% with you, they will reply. And this will help you to increase the open rate of email as well. Strategic communication. Whenever you are sending single message, single voice note, do strategic messaging there. Okay. Then timings, guys, timing is very important. 4 tip, use proper timing. What is the timing? Understand properly. In case let me talk about from webinar perspective. In case I'm giving here one point from webinar perspective, in case you are doing webinar or any communication. So what I do basically, in case I have webinar Sunday 11 a.m. okay, what I do, so I send one email before one day, and I might send little bit one voice note or one video on my WhatsApp groups. Hey, hi, I am super excited to meet you tomorrow. You are going to learn this. You don't want to miss this anyhow. Okay, this can be game changing for you. It can solve your money problem, relationship problem. It can take your business to next level. Something like that one. Give them strategic reason in communicating. Guys, important. So that is important part. I do something like one day before, little bit some messaging. And the second part, in case I'm doing 11 a.m., I send early morning emails. Okay, but don't mention reminder, give them reason, some why they should attend your 4 or 5 tips, not tips, reasons. Then in case I have the 11 webinar, I do suppose 90 minutes before one reminder on email and 150 minute 15 minute pehle webinar reminder. Then I send basically 2-3 reminders in different way, why they should come to your webinar as well. And beside that one, what I do, I send SMSs, okay? Maybe for 90 days before, not 90 days, I'm sorry. Basically 15 minutes before, in case I have a webinar, I hint, okay, I don't know if, how many of you don't understand Hindi? Because I do little bit in Hindi as well. So mix here. So forgive me for that one, Hindi, English mix. So basically, in case you are doing webinar tomorrow, let me give the plan, multi-channel communication plan. So yeah, I'm here telling you, let me tell you your plan. Timings, it can be timing here. SMS, we can do like for suppose 90 minutes before. 90 minutes before, 15 minutes before, आप 15 मिनट पहले भी कर सकते हो. And beside that one day before. Okay, in case you are doing a morning webinar, you can send them one day before, email, SMS or chatbot. It can be anything. Okay, one day before. In case you are doing evening webinar, then webinar day morning. Webinar day morning. Okay, you can do like that one. I will tell you how. Some things are there. Okay, so people will come there. Okay, or on WhatsApp also, you can send 90 minutes before, 15 minutes before music started. See what we are doing, just model that one. So this is the pro tips, guys, right? I tell you some points here. Now let's move to the next thing here. You will get mind map. You will get mind map. Awesome. So guys, now I will tell you some how. Quick demo, use automation. So I will tell you here how exactly you can do that one. I want to give some tips here. Strategy, guys, pay attention here. I told you why is important, how I will tell you here. Guys, make a note of things here. So basically, how we can do that one. I will be telling you here how exactly you can do that. The first thing, how do you implement? Quick demo. I don't have that much time to demo here, but automation, use automation. Basically, in case you are using ClickFunnels, so on thank you page, do one thing. Add basically steps. You can use some steps. You can use WhatsApp button. WhatsApp. I will tell you my button also. WhatsApp button. WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group link on thank you page. Okay, thank you page. Okay, offline thank you page. Beside that one, you can use in welcome email. So here, let me tell you here one thing. How exactly it will be covered in the basically what you can do. I will tell you a demo here. Basically, you can use WhatsApp joining link, group joining link, or Telegram group joining, or Facebook group joining link in your welcome message, in your welcome email. You can do that one. Beside that one, on thank you page, I always recommend you can have a video on thank you page. You can have WhatsApp joining group link. Okay, people can join WhatsApp group directly. Beside that one, in your welcome message of email, you can welcome them, you can do all those things and give them pro tips. Okay, pro tips like why they should, you can give them, okay, here is the link of your upcoming masterclass, integrate Zoom link. The people can register on Zoom as well. Beside that one, second point, you can give them like link to your WhatsApp group. People can join. Step 2, join WhatsApp group. Step 3, basically you can give them join Facebook group. Basically, you can have 1 or 2 maximum call to action on your landing page. Guys, got it? You can do that one. Integrate all this multi-channel. And as soon as people join on your WhatsApp group, you can welcome them, send them voice note. And let me tell you here, on WhatsApp, what happens? Some people drop off. Okay, some people drop off. It's okay. People who are serious, they will stay till the end. Guys, got the idea? You can use this implementation part in your integrated email, welcome email, as well as on a ClickFunnels thank you page. You can do that one. Click here to join my WhatsApp group. You can send in welcome email, and as I told you, strategy there, you can use that strategy to communicate. Clear, guys? Clear? Yeah, here we go. That is important part. As I told you, use automation. Guys, use automation. You can use automation for sending SMSs. In case anybody register, they should get automatic welcome email. You can use Zapier and Telegram. In case anybody register, they will get automatic welcome email. Email automation is automatic, right? Autoresponder. Set autoresponder so that they get automatic communication. In Telegram, you can also schedule messages. Use that automation part. Find those ways. But now I want to move to the next level, which is very important part. Funnel. Here is a very important part, guys. In case you are doing all those things, guys, in case you are doing all those things, I want to tell you here, in case you are doing all those things, what if all still not working? Guys, in case still that is not working, you have to review your funnel. In case you are doing all those things, you are communicating, and still you are not getting as expected result. So you have to review your funnel. What is funnel actually? Funnel, you have to review your funnel. I mean to say, your product, your story, your offer, your targeting, you have to check all those details. Are they all alignment? In case you are running ad for X topic, you are showing them something in webinar, you are showing them something Y topic, and selling offer something X topic, it will not work. It has to be aligned. Your Facebook ad, your email communication, or any other communication, as well as your offer has to be aligned. Guys, super clear? आप comment box में type कर सकते हो, super clear. Very important part. People are making that mistake. So get clear on your messaging, get clear on your offer, get clear on your product, and ultimately what result you can deliver. My friend, it's not about you, it's not about me, it's about them. People don't buy your product, people buy result, people buy some happiness, people buy output. दोस्तों कैसा लगा ये वीडियो? इनकेस आपने कुछ सीखा, इनकेस यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू, समथिंग स्ट्रेटजीज पावरफुल, इस वीडियो के नीचे पूरे आपके कमेंट बॉक्स शेयर करो डिटेल्स, आपने क्या सीखा, आपके बिजनेस के अंदर क्या मिसिंग है, व्हाट इज मिसिंग फ्रॉम योर बिजनेस, पूरा पैराग्राफ नीचे शेयर करो। मैं पर्सनली रिव्यू करूंगा और आपको रिप्लाई करूंगा। उसके साथ साथ मेरा एक लाइव मास्टर क्लास होता है, लाइव कोचिंग कॉल होता है, उसका लिंक नीचे रहेगा। आप जो अपकमिंग वेबिनार है उसके लिए रजिस्टर कर सकते हो, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगा। एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, हिट द लाइक बटन। और आपको कुछ भी लगा होगा कि इसके अंदर एक पावरफुल फ्री ट्रेनिंग आपको मिला है, आपके 2 दोस्तों से या 3 दोस्तों से व्हाट्सएप पे, टेलीग्राम के, आप कहीं भी यूज कर रहे हो, शेयर करो, क्योंकि शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग। ओके, इनकेस शेयर ऑल दिस डिटेल्स एंड स्टे ट्यून। आपको नए में और क्या सीखने में अच्छा लगेगा कमेंट बॉक्स के अंदर नीचे आप शेयर कर सकते हो। आई विल पर्सनली उसके ऊपर टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बनाऊंगा, ट्रेनिंग बनाऊंगा। ओके, स्टे ट्यून, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस माई वीडियो, दिस ट्रेनिंग। हम लोग आगे के सेशन मिलते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।